These are new Muslim strategy to convert some Igbos to Islam. Look at this girl face. You know that she's northern Nigerian Muslim, not Igbo blood. Alright. Assalamu alaikum jama'a. Sunana Besira Ugochi. Wannan mutumi said me wannan ba Igbo. Don't mind me, I'm trying hard to speak my language Hausa, but since I was born and raised in Igbo land, I've forgotten my original language, which is I've been a Fulani self. To assalamu alaikum jama'a. Wala jam meshobri. God. Sorry guys, Igbo intonation, Igbo language has overpowered my original northern language. Anyways, please, I want to apologize to you guys for lying to you all this while. Like, I've been lying all this while. Like, actually, I want to come out and say the truth. God help me. Okay, the truth about this matter is this. I'm originally from Katsina State. Yes, I've been from Katsina State, and that is Daura local government precisely. Yes, Daura local government. If you live like, I want to describe my house right now, how my house looks like in Daura. After Buhari's house, Buhari, the former president of this country, President Muhammadu Buhari. After his house, you will go down a bit, down. There is a NEPA office. Yes, after that NEPA office, you still go down. Then you see a junction. Then that junction, just look by your right. If you look like this, you will see a police station. Behind the police station, that is where my house is. You see one fine white mansion. Yes, that is actually my house, our house, my family house in Katsina State. But the thing is this, my father came down to Enugu for business. This was it's been long, about 30 years ago. He came to Enugu for business, and after he came, after the business, he got married to a Fulani woman that was also born in Enugu State, which happened to be my mother. That is my mother, a Fulani woman that was also born and raised in Enugu here. Yes, so after my father got married to her, Hausa Fulani. So I'm Fufude and I'm Fulani. So I greeted the people in Hausa. Salamu alaikum jama'a. Yaya kunkiri. Sorry. Shena kunkiri. Okay. Yaya kunkiri. God. Wale jam me shobri sejam. So I am Hausa Fulani. Yes. So after they got married, they started giving birth, and they gave birth to me, and since then I started to claim like an Igbo girl. Like, I started to say that I'm an Igbo girl, but actually I'm not an Igbo girl. I'm from Katsina State, Daura local government. Gong. Yes. So if you know Buhari's house, even Yusuf Buhari's only son, he used to come to our house. We played together, but after his father became the president, he stopped coming. All this Gen Z, he became a big boy. I was actually betrothed to him, but he traveled abroad and found a new wife. So all this, I'm sorry guys, I've been lying. So my father is from Katsina, yes, and my mother is a Fulani woman. I think Adam Mawako. Adamawa Fulani. So I've been lying. That Allah, that Alibi. Don't worry. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm very sorry. So my Fulani brothers and sisters, and my Hausa brothers and sisters, I want you people to come and welcome me, because I'll be relocating to my hometown, my original place, which is Castina State. I don't know why I keep forgetting. Ikon Allah, Allah Sariki. So please, I'm Hausa Fulani, yes, and my name is Besira. Yes, so if you come across this video and I've been saying that I'm an Igbo girl all this while, no, I'm Hausa. I'm Hausa. Look at me now. Fine Hausa girl. Hausa. I be Fulani said. Which one I? See na my mama side I come from, me na my papa. My mama na Fulani, my papa na Hausa. Okay. I'm Hausa Fulani, guys. So Monday Chuku. No verse, so you get them correctly. It's so hard. Show ezoku kiku. Ezoku leka ezoku baragba we abuho monyi Igbo. Awu monyi Hausa. Yota. So eweniwe abuho monyi Igbo. Amomo tunge shikowari gi aki wota mana abuho monyi Igbo. Ine manyanuri mana abuho monyi Igbo. But I pray you wake up from your sleep one day and realize that Islam as a religion has absolutely nothing to do with tribe. And when you realize that, call me and tell me that, oh, Sister Ugochi, finally now what I go no here Besira Islam, Besira tribe. Okay, so the northern Nigerians are not the owners of Islam. They are not the deputy Islam or whatever. Okay, anybody can be a Muslim, no matter where you're coming from. So when you went na, ashingash, asim na onya onyi Igbo, man actually I'm onya Hausa. Onya Hausa n'Enugu State. Okay, what otun shikowa yakita. Monday Chuku. You have Android phone, but all you do with it is to comment this kind of thing on people's posts. You cannot browse. You cannot ask Google the origin and the history of Islam in Nigeria. No, if you now comment gari yenweri na akpari your ancestors ever. Anyways, guys, please. Oh God, I've been deceiving my followers all this while. I'm sorry, guys. I'm from Castina. So my fellow Hausa Fulanis, Mona come find me here. I they suffer for a year. This Enugu I dey, you know good. Carry me go north, go Castina. I want to relocate to my father's village, gong in Castina. And I heard that Buhari is no more in Castina, that he has relocated back to Kaduna. And this man for dash me money. Because normally we all grew up in a same neighborhood. Money men I'll try and search for Yusuf Buhari. Yes, so that I'll tell him that his lost but found sister is finally back to Daura. Wait, get us the chance. Akramakallah. No. Gosh. I don't forget, guys. I don't forget. Okay. Sanu Jama. Allah. God. I don't know why I forgot Hausa. My language, my papa language. Now I don't forget like this. Anyways, thanks for watching. Thanks for your support, guys. Please comment, like, share, and follow for more, because I'll be replying to more of these people in my videos. Thank you guys. Thank you. Please follow me, guys. Follow me.